Hey guys, I got this idea for a fishing pole holder. See that base right there with the pole sticking up for an umbrella? Take one of those and put a bunch of those poles sticking up, different size or different heights, and put a little wheels on the bottom, and you could roll around your garage. This is what I had for a pole holder. It's from Turner's Outdoors. In the past I've had fishing pole holders. This one was the hanging one. That was a real hassle because I'd have to get up there quite a ways up from my boat and then get them down, and I didn't like doing that too much. If you look in my garage, I don't have a wall where I could stack them straight. It's just a cluster in here. I got the metal, and then this is the base, and we are at Industrial Metal Supplies. Together it costs 26 bucks. Time to cut the metal. Got all the pipe cut. MIG welding from Harbor Freight. It cost $100 and it's 110. Instead of doing nuts and bolts for the wheels, I'm just gonna go ahead and weld it because it's so much easier than drilling and going to Home Depot and getting nuts and bolts. Probably want to get those corners so you don't get a scrapey on your leg. Got the first row on. It's all finished. I'm gonna hit this with some black paint. Let's check out the pole holder.